This video will help you understand how I've set up Blackboard for our Business 301 class, Business Analytics, for our Summer Session 2 class, 2018. So here's the home page. Where do you think we should start? Well, if you can read, you probably think, start here syllabus. So let's click on that, see what's in there. In here is the syllabus, so I'll click on that and come back to it in a second. The course expectations document, which you should read carefully, talks about the textbook. You buy it from here. We're using Microsoft Excel 2016 very, very heavily in this course. As a USM student, you can access or have access to download the entire Microsoft Office suite for your personal machine. It is a Microsoft product and supported by Microsoft, not by USM IT Help Desk. And then here's this course video info about the course video that I just shared with you way back at the beginning when you signed up for the course. You should watch that again. So if we go to the syllabus, basic stuff, there will be another video looking at the syllabus in detail, but important things here: assessment and grading. There's participation, so that's during the web synchronous online sessions. That's 5% of your grade. Acquaintance quiz is 5%. Content quizzes, best 5 out of 6, 10%. Excel assignments, 4 out of 5, 20%. 3 exams, each of them worth 20%. The final exam is cumulative. Exams 1 and 2 are not necessarily cumulative. Exam 2 does build slightly on exam 1 material, but that's just the nature of the course itself. So if I wanted to know where to get to all this stuff, where do you think quizzes are? Probably under the quizzes link. So here's the acquaintance quiz. It's worth 5% of your grade. It basically makes you read the syllabus in the expectations document and answer some questions about it. You can take each quiz 2 times with the highest grade counting. That includes the acquaintance quiz. So all the quizzes are under quizzes. All of the Excel assignments are under Excel assignments in their own folders. So when I click in here, here's the Excel assignment 1. It tells you when it's due. And here is the data file that you would use to answer the Excel assignment. Excel assignment 2 has a different data file. Notice it's got a different name, so I've filtered some stuff out to make it a little bit easier. The first one has some fun stuff that makes your life a little more difficult. And it goes just like that. The only one that doesn't have a data file is Excel 5. It's a problem description instead. And you'll understand why when we get to that part of the course. Materials, all of the materials I put in units 1 through 7. So unit 1 is preliminaries, has a bunch of stuff. Here's this video here, and then all this other fun stuff, right? Unit 2 is when we actually start getting into real stuff, descriptive statistics, etc., etc. All right. Exams, all of the exams are found here. Exam 1, Exam 2, final exam. All right. It tells you when it will be released. So the first exam is on Friday, July 20th, just like it should say on the syllabus, where all these schedules are down at the bottom. Right, so the first one covers units 1, 2, and 3, Friday, July 20th. When I click in there, there's nothing there yet. What will happen is at 12:01 a.m. on Friday, July 20th, the exam will show up. Within the exam, there'll be a hyperlink where you download a data file and use that data file to answer that particular question. If you have more than one question, you'll have different data files. Each question was multi-part, up to like 15 parts on some questions. Discussions, I did put a Q&A forum out here in case you want to create a thread and ask a question. Maybe a classmate can answer it for you. If they don't answer it after a couple days, I might see it and might answer it myself, but hopefully they will do it as well. So that is the setup for Blackboard. So it's rather straightforward, nothing crazy at all, right? So good luck with that, and we'll get into class material.